Hello.
Hey.
Hey, Wall Street. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm doing fantastic. Somebody said I always sound very happy, so I'm always happy to talk to you.
Yep, that's good. I'm the one that said that.
Yeah. Well, today we're going to be answering some YouTube questions. We've got a lot of subscribers on YouTube who have been asking some questions about the information that you've been putting out. So one of the first questions we have is from the video about the penny stock video. Yoda1 says, happy to see this channel. What do you think, Wall Street, about Bitcoin and crypto? And is it the future of finance? And they're asking where also they can begin to buy penny stocks. So they're asking about Bitcoin and crypto and also where they go to start buying penny stocks.
So, the first question is, what do I think about Bitcoin and crypto? I don't follow Bitcoin and crypto as far as an investment. I follow it as it's kind of making its way, will have made its way through the industry, or as far as being an investment alternate for people and for financial institutions, as far as using some of the technology. Like the blockchain technology and things like that. So I think as it relates to financial in the future, I think that certain financial institutions will adopt.
This call and your telephone number will be monitored and recorded.
I think certain financial institutions will adopt certain parts of the technology as it relates to combining the technologies into their institutions to make transactions a lot better in the future. So as it relates to that, that's what I believe. To your other question, what do I think about, where do I go to buy penny stocks? So there isn't any specific place to go buy penny stocks. At least I have not seen one, if there are. The traditional way to find them is you look through the paper. With you guys on the street, so you got search engines and stuff now. So Google it. Google. You can just simply Google a place to buy penny stocks or penny stock platform or something like that, and then see what pops up. Any company that trades below $1 is technically classified as a penny stock. If you look in the investment business daily, I believe they will have some penny stocks in there. Probably quite a few companies that you can find in there, so that's a good place to go. Well, I've seen penny stocks in there before, so try that and then see what pops up.
Okay. And the next question that we have from YouTube is from your strategies for investing in the cruise line industry, and the question's from Diego. Diego says, wonderful stuff. One question, have you been impacted by any wash sale taxes when applying your short-term strategy?
No, I have personally not been affected by that. And I don't currently know anyone who has been affected by the wash rule. But they do have, I believe I read that there's platforms that you can use to help you mitigate your exposure to running into that problem. So I think you should do a little research on that if you haven't already have, about how to fall within the compliance of that, so it doesn't bother your ability to trade short term.
Okay, and the next question is from a video that we did about Q&A about what you think, and the question is from Kamara Harper. They want to know how you feel about the GNC stock as short term, and Genius Brands as long-term?
So I don't currently know what the GNC stock is. So I can't speak to that. And you said the Guinness brand? Is that what you said?
No, it's the Genius brand. Genius Brands.
So I don't know anything about the Genius brand. If you can give me some more information about that, I can possibly look into that and give you my analysis about it. But I don't know. I'm not familiar with the GNC ticker symbol and the Genius brand.
Okay. All right. And the next question is from a video called "You Have Questions, Curtis Wall Street Carroll has answered." And the question is from John Sanchez, and John wants to know, what are your thoughts on IBIO?
So I vaguely recall the symbol. I could be wrong about this, but I think IBIO might have been a pharmaceutical company, and it might have even been a penny stock at the time. I could be off about that. I'm not really sure. I have to do some research about that to see, in fact, if that's the same IBIO, stock that I remember seeing in the past. So I don't have any information about that. But
do you want me to tell you? Do you want me to tell you what I found right now on Yahoo Finance?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so IBIO is like you said, a pharmaceutical. Let me check out. So I'm going to go, so everyone knows, I'm going to Yahoo Finance, and then I go into the profile. And the sector is healthcare.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. What's the stock price?
The stock price is $4.52, and it says it's a biotechnology company that provides product development and manufacturing services to clients, collaborators, and third-party customers in the United States and internationally.
Okay, I don't remember them being that high before, and maybe they were lower than that, and then it went back up again. But I don't know too much about that company in particular. What I can tell you is that the pharmaceutical space right now has been getting a lot of eyeballs on it. A lot of investment will be pushed into it, and a lot of smaller companies could benefit in a time right now, particularly when everyone's trying to move towards a COVID vaccine. So, companies is dealing with anything related to COVID, or particularly in healthcare for that matter, I think can have some eyeballs on. So, with that said, this could be a company depending on exactly what they do. I don't know what they do. You need to do some research on that, figure out what they do, and then go from there.
Okay. All right, Wall Street. Well, those are all the questions that we have from YouTube. So everybody, thanks so much for your support. And Wall Street, it was great talking to you.
Thank you. All right, you guys. Be well. Stay safe.